Jesus! You are eating my abacha! Eh? You are eating my abacha! You are eating my abacha!
Why are you doing this to me?
You are eating my abacha! You are eating my abacha! Shut up! Open your mouth! Open your mouth! You are eating... Open your mouth! You are eating my abacha! You are eating my abacha! Eh? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Eh? Who are you to eat my food? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Eh? I said you should kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down! Useless girl! You want to eat abacha? Oh yeah, eat it. Open your mouth! I said you open your mouth! Open your mouth! Come this way! Come this way! Kneel down! Oh yeah, open your mouth. Oh yeah.
No. What's the meaning of this? Why are you treating her like this? Why are you like this now?
I'm so shut up!
Listen.
Like,
Can you just tell me why are you treating her like this? Like, is it a crime that her brother get married to you or what? Like, I don't understand. Can you just give me one reason?
why will she eat my abacha without telling
You
me?
name what?
Is it your money? Is it
Is it your money? Don't try it. Is it your money? Is it your money?
Miss me. You are sleeping with her. You are sleeping with her. Sleeping with her.
How can I be still with my sister? How? How can I be still with my sister? Huh? Tell me, because her brother get married to you. I am going ahead and beat her. Take her life. What's the meaning of that?
Thief. You are thief.
I was just hungry. I was just hungry. I decided to eat some abacha. I was just hungry, brother. I was just hungry. Not like I stole it.
Can I ask this question?
Hey,
Is
listen.
marriage supposed to be a formula of destroying family? Eh? When is it like you see a loving and peaceful family? Immediately they bring one stupid woman from nowhere. Don't take your hands off me. See.
Hit me. You can't expect a woman.
Oh.
You want to hit me. Hit me. Hey. You want to shut up.
Leave her.
Hit me now. What's your
My
man?
brother did not do anything to
Hey, shut up, thief. Thief. They will come
Don't
you.
go close to her.
What will you do?
I'm respecting you because of my brother.
Beat me now.
I'm respecting you because of my
Beat me.
brother.
Use that
Because
voice.
I cannot beat you.
You
What
respect me.
like just tell me.
Respect yourself.
So what's the reason for you treating her like this? What have I done wrong? What has she done wrong? Tell us.
Come on, come out.
Is it the kind of
Look at what is this to my party. Just what I wanted to eat some abacha.
Okay, now you have raised the food on her. Go and eat it now. Go ahead and eat. What have you gained with all this nonsense? What have you gained with it? See.
I'm beating me my own brother's house.
It's fine. Go and try.
You're beating me my own brother's house.
This is my husband's house.
I will lose it though.
Why have hit me? Hit your brother's wife. Fool. You. This your eat my food. What will you do? Useless boy.
I'll be respecting you.
Look at you at your age. 30 years. You're still dragging a house with me. No, come and stay now. Come and stay at 30. You're still dragging house for me. No. Who told them? God, shut up, you. Look at you. Who told them 30 years? See, you are 30.
But you don't want my mother to
You don't have to answer her. It's fine.
You old.
Hey,
Can go.
it's fine. Let's go.
Old can go. Go and marry. No. Come, let my husband marry both of us. Shall be respecting in this house.
Can we go inside?
This is my husband's house. People should go back to your father's house. Wow.
Can we just pass?
Pass yes.
Can we go inside so that she can clean up now?
So you want to
Go, get out. Oh,
Hey! Hey! You're beating me! Hey! 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 Never saw! Hey! You people don't have respect! Is it because I'm marrying your brother? You people are hitting me! You people are beating me! I will tell my husband! I will tell my husband! People will see! Don't worry. Let me video myself. Wait on phone.